Little longer than a few minutes later.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Stephanie here. If you guys are not familiar with me, go ahead and hit subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video. It will help me out so much. So for today, I have a really cool video for you guys. Actually, it's gonna give me fucking anxiety doing this video, but I'm doing it for my girls out there that like to hit that extra snooze, like to hit that extra 15 minutes of sleep. You know, I'm one of you. I literally know the struggle when you do not want to get up and then you're running late to wherever you're going. I feel you. So this is for you guys. I literally have 5 minutes to put on a face and run out the door. That's literally what we're doing today. So this is what I would do if I literally had 5 minutes and to do a full face of makeup and get the fuck out of here. So let's go ahead and do this 5-minute makeup challenge. Alrighty guys, 5 minutes on the clock. We're gonna go ahead and prime the face. I'm just taking the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Serum. We're just gonna put that all over the face so we have something, some kind of barrier, you know? Now we're gonna go in with brows. Brows are always that one part that people take forever on, so let's go ahead and go with brow. I'm just taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz to give me a little bit of shape and fill up any sparse parts that I might have. This is definitely the part that always freaking takes a while. There we go, next brow. We're not doing anything fancy, we're literally just doing the minimum. When in doubt, blend it out. That's it. Spoolie's there to help you blend. Okay, brows are on. Got 3. Now we're gonna go ahead and go into some concealer. We're just gonna go in with our Anastasia foundation, just for a bit of coverage. Nothing too crazy. Cover any imperfections we may have. We got 3 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. Just give us that little extra coverage that we're searching for. Moving right along, we're gonna go in with some concealer. I'm just gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Here we go. Put a little bit on the sides. And I also am gonna mix a little bit of the Too Faced Concealer and Snow and just put a little bit on those inner corners just to give me that little brightness there. We're gonna go ahead and use this to highlight the face. Got 2 minutes on the clock. A little bit on the forehead. This side to help you blend out. We're gonna go ahead and use my Pretty Bulgur powder and set underneath the eyes. Moving right along, we're gonna go into some bronzer. I'm just gonna take my E11 and bronze up my face. This is the Wet n Wild bronzer, just to bring back a little bit of that color into the face. good. We're gonna go in with my Laura Geller blush. This has a little bit of sheen to it, so it also kind of give you a little highlight to the face. Right there. Just bring a little bit of color back into the face. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our eyelashes. So we're gonna go ahead and use some mascara. This step, of course, you can take it on the go. Just take your mascara, take your eyelash curler, and apply it on the go. You could do it in your car, you could do it in class, you could do it at work, in the bathroom, you could honestly do it anywhere. All right, now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter. I'm just gonna use a little bit in the inner corner. Nothing too crazy. Ooh. Nothing too crazy, and then I went ham. Okay, we're just gonna make the other one like that. Go ahead. Put a little bit on the tip of the nose, and just a little bit right there. Nothing too crazy. And literally put on some gloss, and you're good. That is it. All right, that is the 5-minute makeup. We're looking a little refreshed, we're looking a little better, you know, not as crazy. We did drop some setting powder on my lap on the way doing this because your girl was really anxious, but it's okay. It's okay, we saved her. We finished our face within the 5 minutes. So this is for you girls out there that like to take that extra snooze, you like to take that extra nap, that little extra time. You got it. 5 minutes is enough for a little full face, just to give you a little glow and extra oomph. So yeah, there you go. Alrighty guys, that was gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little 5-minute makeup I had for you guys today. Honestly, this video gave me fucking anxiety, but I had to do it for my lazy girls out there that like to take that extra snooze, you know? I get you. I'm exactly the same way. You have 20 minutes and you have to be out the door because you're late to work. I feel that. It's me every single day. So, thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. I hope you guys join me on the next one. Don't forget, I post every Wednesday and every Friday of every week, so definitely join me on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It will help me out so much. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna be it for today, and I hope I see you on the next one. Bye, guys.